Hey folks, how we doing today? We're up here in the Bartlett, Elgin, South Elgin area. It's a Sunday, and we're going to check out a couple of different things. We're going to try to catch the a train, hopefully on the Freeport subdivision of the CN, which is just down the road here. And then we may head over to the Fox Valley Trolley Museum, not to see the museum as much as to maybe just check out the tracks. I've never been over there. Don't know much about it, so we may check that out as well. So thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we were hoping to catch one on the Freeport sub. We're here at Munger Crossing, where the Freeport crosses the Leithton, which is a former EJ&E, and we have yet to see anything on Freeport, but we do have a northbound on the Leithton, and we're going to bring it to you. We got a DPU pushing on the end. All right, the weight here paid off. We have westbound Canadian National Freight coming on the Freeport sub. Ever so slowly. The gates here at Powis Road should be going down here any second.
Alright, there we go. That's what we were waiting for. Westbound freight train on the Freeport subdivision.
So one thing I've noticed on this Freeport sub is the rails look smaller, especially when a big freight train is coming over. I don't know what class of rails they are. It is welded rail. Trains are usually only going about 25 or 30 miles an hour through here. What I can see is this track was rolled, the rail was rolled in 1943. So some very old track. I can't quite see the month there. Later in the year in 1943. And they're still using it as a Class 1 railroad. I don't know if that's a rating or not. If it is, and I'm missing it, yell at me in the comments. I see Illinois there. This was Illinois Central back in the day. Maybe once we get these back on the computer screen, we'll be able to see them better, but I'm just going to point that out. It's a warm one today. Finally got to see that freight on the Freeport sub. Examined the rails just a little bit. Saw that the rails were from 1943. It's pretty cool. Gonna head over to that Fox Valley trolley track now. See what we can see over there. Stay with us. All right, we're out here at the John Dewar Forest Preserve, Kane County Forest Preserve. This appears to be the terminus of the Fox Valley Trolley Museum Railway. Tracks in right over there at the entrance to the Forest Preserve. And they go up there around a curve, up under a couple of highways. We'll see if we can't grab some video of some of the other portions of the line here. Fox River Trolley Museum. I think I was saying Fox Valley. Here we go. foxtrolley.org if you want to learn more about it. This is my first time here. There's a pretty cool trackside signal, switch signal down there that I'll put a still shot up of it a little bit closer. It's kind of cool to see that. Kind of takes you back. Here's the Fox River. Something jumping in the water down there. So we're driving by here. I'm actually running late to something, so I'm not going to stop. But you can see the caboose, the tracks that used to continue on into South Elgin here, and that's essentially the museum for the Fox Valley Trolley Museum. And believe you can get on a trolley there and take it to the forest preserve that we were just at. Here we got the Southwest Chief arriving in Naperville, coming from Los Angeles, heading to Chicago. Running about 3 hours late.